Hello friends, welcome to our channel ENT. In our today's class, we are going to discuss about the left and right coset of the group G under addition. I'll take a subgroup H which consists of even, that is plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 6, goes on. For my convenience, I'll separate the positive and the negative numbers. 2 minus 2, 4 minus 4, 6 minus 6. Now first we will find the right coset of it. I'll add H plus 3. When I add H plus 3, when I add H and 3, I'll add 3 even in the first row and also in the second row. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 6 plus 3 is 9, minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. It goes on. Now we will do an example for the left coset. That is, right coset means the number has to be in right. The left coset means the number has to be in left. This is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 2 minus 6 is minus 4. And it goes on. You can write this two right and left coset as, I can write H plus 3 to be, I'll take from the negative 1, minus 3. It will be like minus 7, minus 5. So it will be minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, and it goes on. So if I take 2 plus H, I'll get minus 6, everything from this way, that is, you can say it like minus 2n. It will have elements like minus 2n, minus 4, minus 2, 0, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, and it goes on. Like 10, here it is 2n.